Docker networking explained. When you create a Docker container, you're actually creating a virtual network interface, connecting that virtual network interface to a virtual bridge, and that virtual bridge is doing the communications for you most of the time. There's different ways to pass network traffic through to Docker containers, but bridge mode is going to be the most common way you'll be using it. Behind me is my Portainer setup, and we're going to browse to our network section very quickly. Underneath that, you'll notice that we have a bunch of different networks here. These networks are virtual bridges. They're essentially this blue blob in our diagram. If we were to pull up our containers in Portainer, choose a container, then choose edit on the container, and we scroll down to its networking portion, you'll notice that we can attach this container to various networks like listed here. These networks provide private communications between your containers. Not only that, but this provides you security for both your host and your container. You can have containers that you know only talk to each other, as well as containers that you know talk to nobody, as well as containers that you know are open or associated directly with your host, meaning they can talk to everybody. You can also use the virtual bridge setup in order to split out communications between containers. Where before we had one big virtual bridge, you can have many virtual bridges, and those bridges only share network traffic related to one service. And that's it. That's a quick introduction to Docker container networking. If you'd like to learn more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or down below at my YouTube channel. Otherwise, stay blessed, boys. I'll see y'all next video, and thank you for watching.